Overview video for BAAS Web Services Company. It is me, Adrian, Langui, Selwyn, and we are submitting it. This is December, the final project's due December 2021, the end of this year. Me, Adrian Freeman, Langui Brew, Selwyn Gabriel. So here's our table of contents. Here's our project executive summary. So we're focusing on providing websites and or web applications for photographers. We're focusing on Gerald Jones, our first client, who owns a photography business. And we're going to give him a great website. It's going to go great. We're going to help his business. We're going to help him generate sales and revenue. And it's going to be high quality. Okay, so there is more stuff about the project summary, project report format. Let me skip down here to the project introduction. Wait, did I miss something? No. Project introduction. So, Gerald Jones, he owns a photography business. We're creating a website. We're going to enhance his brand, his public image. He wants a new web page to find clients and help them. It's going to help his clients fill out forms more easily and to submit to him in a more organized way. We're going to have a database for him. It's going to go to his email. If he wants texts, I'm sure we'll have that feature as well. Everything and make it as easy as possible for him to run his business. And here's a project description. We're going to increase views on his website. So he doesn't have a great website right now. We're going to integrate with Google Search, so more people will find his website. It's going to be better looking. Statement of needs. Mr. Jones needs a website to generate a business, expand his brand. Okay, statement of goals. We're going to financially benefit him. We're going to give him satisfaction. The website's going to have a form and storage information. And statement of objectives. Interact with customers, answer queries of customers. Customer issues. He's going to have better relationships built with his customers. He's going to have better credibility and greater customer loyalty. Yes. Project business case. So we're going to help him be more competitive. He's going to have a better website. Anticipated outcomes. So he's going to increase his client portfolio, and he's going to have faster assistance for his clients. He's going to open another office, and this will help him manage his business more easily. A lot of this is reiterating the same thing. Analysis. We wanted the web application to be secure and scalable. Privacy is essential. We're going to handle credit card transactions and securely do it. We might use PayPal, Stripe, or there's another one called Shopify. And it's going to depend on what the client, our customer, Gerald, wants. He may prefer Shopify. He may prefer PayPal. We're going to figure that out soon. PayPal takes a 3.45% commission. Stripe takes 2.9% and 30 cents for credit card payments. And then Shopify charges $29 a month. We could implement any of those within 2 to 4 weeks. We're recommending PayPal first, but it comes down to what the customer really wants. Success criteria. A lot of this is reiterating what was already said. Who the customer is, what we're doing, what the customer's needs are. They need to be able to facilitate bookings, payments. They need to have feature capabilities to be expanded into easily. It's important to be expandable. The payment system must be secure. That's important. Success factors. The website must be modern, easier to use. It needs to be professional, be functional. Must operate correctly. We're going to be unique. We're going to be functional, beautiful. Constraints: 3 months. Over the next 3 months, we'll finish our product and deliver it. Our target budget is $5,000. We expect to be well under this budget, but it's more of a hard limit that we have in the ground as a stake in the ground. We're going to use Google Sites, Google Firebase, PayPal or Stripe or Shopify for transactions. We're still not sure about that, which one yet. But it's important to us that we can offer any of these to any future clients, because some clients have a Shopify system already and they don't want to use PayPal, etc. Project assumptions. Project constraints, major project milestones. Project management methodology, project governance, team composition. 4 people. So Adrian is the main contact person, Languise that handles web security, Selwyn creates software systems, and I'm creating software systems. Stakeholder analysis, Geralt Jones. He's the owner of the photography studio. He's the primary stakeholder. He's expecting a functional and professional website to facilitate more sales of his services. Professor Middle is a supervisor of the project team. Yes. Well, the last stakeholder to mention would be potential users of our web application. They want to make sure their website's functional. They don't want to have issues. They don't want things breaking. Everything we're going to test to make sure it works properly. No issues, hopefully. We created a project charter. Stakeholder register. We got our phone numbers here. Yes. Requirements. User story. Product roadmap, project plan. This took me a while to make. You have to zoom in, but it's more or less a timeline that's kind of visual with different phases of like the first sprint, the second sprint, the final. Here's a timeline schedule. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Maybe that's easier to see the project plan. Here's the timeline schedule. Budget. Status report, team meeting minutes, change logs, supporting documents, current system documents, and we're going to have all those populated in the future. And references. So, yeah, this is our working document, and it's a work in progress.